Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to add equation in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. Simply open the Microsoft Word. Simply goes to search bar and type here math input panel. Type here equation which you want and you can also correct the equation. So simply click on erase. So to insert equation in Microsoft Word, you have to simply click here Microsoft Word and click on insert. Here you can see our equation is added. So you can also increase the font size. So here you can see we have added the equation. So you can also add the equation by following this process. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.